Okay, welcome back to our channel. I'm going to show you the partial trusses on our roofing. Say hi, Saint. Say hi. Dai. Say hi, Dai. That's Saint and Inday. Okay, I'm going to take you to the roof. And later I'm going to show you some update of the fencing for that's fence for the going to the ocean. So here's the roof trusses. Oh, good, they clean it. Ah, yes. So yes, see, here's my buddy. Where are you going, big boy? You wanna see it too? You wanna check what's mama's gonna be checking? Sus, you know, Uncle. Where's Inday? Inday is coming up too. Oh, somebody wants to okay, careful guys. Okay, so just stop working here. Oh, yay! Because they pour something on the for the fence. See, look at that. That's what you're gonna see. Nice. See? See all the trusses? It's so detailed. Yeah. Good. They also clean this up because I told the guys if you're working in a clean construction place, looks like you did a lot because there's not mess. It's not messy. It's not messy. Nice. Oh, they also do there. You can't see it, but see, that's what it is. It's gonna be open. See, and this is the front. Interesting. So I think what they're gonna do, they have to finish, I think, only this side here. Dai, are you okay? Dai. Only this side, because I think this side is done. Yeah, I think they're finished with this side. We're getting there, folks. So look at what they did. We used this bolt. We have a lot of bolts we use here. I bought like 300 pieces of those bolts that we use to hold it up. See that? Those are bolts. And we got this for them so that it's easy to cut all the wood. I got this over at what did I get this at Huawei Hardware in Tagbilaran. This is like how much is this? I think it's 5,000 something. It's Makita, so it's a good brand. 5,100 something like that. So it's pretty easy for them to clean or to cut all this wood. You have those kind of tools. Yeah. This guy learned from us that whenever you did something, clean it up. Look at that. That's the bathroom. Clean it up. This one, you just leave it here because you still have to come back. Hmm? You're doing good. See? It's the beams. Trusses. Those are the design. There's a lot to it. There's a lot of detail. We're impressed. Me and Mike were impressed with what they did. Yeah, this the ceiling would be nice whenever this is finished. This is the one that's this is gonna be a big sliding glass here, and the other side will be the lanai. This one, you see that? This one here, up to here, and this is gonna be where the lanai is. We're gonna put a railing here, railings all over, because this is, see, railings here. It's gonna be railings, and show you here what they did. So the roofing come up to here. Oh, I have to hold. So, see, it's so detailed. This one. This is the villas, folks, because we actually have two buildings. That's the one bedroom, the living, the dining, and the kitchen, and Mama's bedroom with her own bathroom. And this is the villas is 2-story, so it's kind of like two houses, but it's one. That's how we combined it, and that's the walkway. So it's like we're living in the same house, but we're not. I think those are the better description to it. Because you know, Mike's corner, we want our own privacy, so we're not part of the living room, but we have our own place. So that's how we designed this place. So this is the bridgeway, we call it. So this is the main house, we call it, and the villas will be the 2-story. So the roof will comes out like it's like a one roof. Okay, so I am going to show you what it looks like, so that at least you have an idea of what I'm talking about. We have that rendering of our plan. So see, it's high. This is really, the villas are really high. It's big. You didn't expect that big, but I'm going to take you to, I'm going to show you what it is that the design would be, because I don't think I show it on, I think I show it in the video before, but we're just talking about it, so I have to show it to you. This is the garage, and here's that's Pipay, our Chevy. So see, so that's what it looks like. So that's the front of the house. See, it's 2 buildings, but there, if you're looking at it, it's only one. I don't know, I'm a little bit shaky. And this is the ocean front. See, It just looks like one house, but those are two buildings. Okay, so that's all, folks, and thank you for watching our videos. Please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for all the subscribers. We're just new in this YouTube thing, so please understand our videos. We're really trying. Okay, so thank you, and have a good day, and God bless, and please subscribe and like. Thank you.